like with our little harbor, the harbor in Boqueron has a huge opening. Ours is small, but this is a huge opening out to the Atlantic Ocean. The water in here, still protected by a big reef, but the water here is just awesome. Green, blue. I'm sure when the wind isn't blowing, it's clear. Mountains protect it from hurricanes, from the wind damage, wind shear, and it all results in a beach. Amazing.
This is downtown.
We are at the Downtown Boqueron restaurant, and we're looking for what, Jay?
Chef Jose.
And what do you want him to make you?
Mofongo.
So we're at the Downtown Boqueron restaurant, and we are doing a Mofongo tour. So, like other people tour beaches, we are foodies and we love the Mofongo we found.
Hola.
And then I remembered they also make different pina coladas everywhere we go. So we're going to turn this into a pina colada Mofongo
tour.
You've seen Jay already. This is the rest of the restaurant. It's cool. It's right on the street. Lots of cute little signs. And this is just a cute little town. Here's a good sign right there.
The hurricane sign for hurricane evacuation was grab a beer and run.
So this is our little street view. Normally these little businesses are open, and there's some open, but normally they're all beers and foods and all kinds of things, and pinchos, our favorite, meat on a stick. Yeah, it's a little sketch to me, having oysters and clams that have been left out for how long? I don't know. Anyway, so we're gonna have food here, try the Mofongo, have a pina colada, and relax, because we're getting ready to start doing charter gigs. Pina coladas in the cup. How was it, Jay? What do you think?
The first sip was amazing.
It's got lots of coconut, not a whole lot of pineapple flavor, but maybe it just has to be mixed up a little bit. Jay is going to get the Mofongo pollo with garlic sauce. And I'm going to try their Tuna Tartare with Tostones. See how that works out. The menus in places in Puerto Rico all come with a QR code mostly, and in the Dominican too. So you scan the QR code with your phone, and theirs is on Facebook. So then that tells you what you need to know. And paper doesn't have to pass hands between customers. You want to be on the video? What's your name?
Edward, hi.
Edward! Edward is our server extraordinaire. And I'm going to have the Tuna Tartare with Tostones. Okay. See? And Jay's going to have the Mofongo, and we'll see if we're still hungry after that. All right. Thank you. Jay just had to scoot up to the bar and get a shot in his pina colada. We don't think we ordered virgins, but that is the original recipe. It wasn't until some alcoholic decided that rum should be in them that they actually put rum in the pineapple coconut mix. So mine probably was a virgin too. We're gonna ask Edward when he comes back by, and we'll see what happens. Well, Jay, that looks delicious. Mofongo in a bowl with chicken in the center. Different than we've had it served yet. Give it a taste. Let's see what you think.
Oh, it's good.
Good. Perfect. And my tuna tartare, raw tuna, and tostones on the side.
Oh, delicious. The seasoning is like a seaweed salad.
Nice. They have a little bit of that on
They
the
got a little
bottom.
seaweed salad on the bottom. And it is delicious.
It looks. I can't wait to put this phone down and video and eat. So I am enjoying Born on the Beach, an IPA by a local brewery here in Puerto Rico called Ocean Lab Brewing Company. Delish. Never had it. Made in Puerto Rico. Yay! Ocean Lab IPA. How was your lunch, Jay?
It was delicious.
Delicious.
Absolutely.
Which did you like better, the mofongo or the tuna?
Couldn't answer that question.
No?
They're totally separate kind of meals, and they have completely different flavors. I love mofongo, but that tuna was mind-blowing.
It was delicious.
So it's kind of a hard call. The only favorite that I have is Terry.
Love you.